Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you. How are you today? The past year and now the pandemic is still the same. It's a huge global challenge. By the way, my channel name is Carpenter. Thank you for watching my channel. I wonder how my channel name sounds like to foreigners. I'm living in Jeju Island, in the south of Korea. In Korea, aunt is pronounced as imo. And it is often used in middle-aged women as a friendly expression. I wanted to put the word aunt in the image of a carpenter. I don't think the channel name is important. So I think it's a good name to remember. Including me, I'm sure you have a lot of thoughts because you are restriction on your movement. But I think now is the right time to do something important. Trials and pain may be hard right now. Maybe it's the source of our power. Pain sometimes makes us concentrate and have the will to solve it. If your hobby is making things, I want to help you focus and make something. I don't think there's a completely new start. I think it's just covered and fired up. I learned Korean traditional furniture and woodcraft. There were up and downs, but I haven't given up and I've been woodworking since I was in my 20s. A carpenter's life is a pretty tough job, but it has the greatest pleasure of creatively completing something. That's the only way to make it I feel alive. Maybe if you work in production and design like me, I think everyone is lonely or are struggling, especially women. Actually, my situation is quite traditional, and it's time to spare. So I'm sketching ideas and designing furniture for next time. Meanwhile, I found a new method or material and became interested in 3D pen. Actually, it took me years to prepare this first video. I've been thinking a lot about introducing the channel, and when I uploaded the video, there were many things I need to know. Final Cut, Premiere Pro, eventually until LumaFusion. I'm having a hard time learning by myself. I have been self-isolation from home all winter. In February, I was supposed to finish my first book and upload it. But I'm finally posting now. After I got to know YouTube, I didn't know, but I think it's really good. I don't have to find someone to teach me to run something, and I don't have to bother the person next to me. I'm so happy that I can keep my proud and get information easily. YouTube has been my teacher for the past year. There are many YouTube teachers who got help while learning how to film and edit cameras on YouTube. I really appreciate it. I expect the coronavirus to erode and bring it back to life as it used to be. Because of corona, I really want to travel around the world before I die more intensely. And I want to meet local people all over the world. Where are you? I want to speak English better. In Korea, there is really no need to speak English. So what I've been thinking is that I'm going to talk about my video in English, not in Korean. I'm actually imitating the actors right now. There are probably a lot of awkward expressions and wrong words because I used the translator. I apologize in advance. Now you know why I speak English, right? If it's too hard, I'm going to mix half and half with Korean. I'm embarrassed, but I hope my English will improve a little bit. If my English improves, I hope to communicate easily with global friends I will meet someday. It's spring rain where I am. It's beautiful to walk with the sounds of rain. I am a carpenter and designer, and I'm not used to 3D pen yet. At first, I was thinking about what to make first, and then I thought of lightning. I decided to make my favorite chandelier among the lights. It's new and fun to make. I felt frustrated and hopeful several times a day. I heard on the radio that spring comes with a lot of patience. Likewise, carpentry needs a lot of patience, and I can stop until I see it completed. I'm finally getting the electricity connected. This is my first time working on the electricity, so I was afraid the lights wouldn't come on. I'm always excited at first. Honestly, I was thrilled when the lights came in. The work was too long, so I divided into 2 parts. Please be sure to watch my second stories. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.